There you go.
Yes, I love you. Yes, I do. You're the best little puppy.
There you go. There you go.
Jennifer, Elaine, Jennifer,
yeah,
here.
You guys are so beautiful.
You're doing much
So
better.
do they have homes?
Right behind Lori. And then off to the concrete. Oh, and the guy in the blue. Oh, that's Jeff.
Nick.
Cute puppy.
Hi, honey. Oh,
And that one is Cindy right here. Where's Jeannie? Where happened to Jeannie?
She is so dark.
She is?
Now,
Well, that'll lighten up.
Yeah, but darker than
The gardener.
And that there, that's Jeannie.
puppy.
Right there, wagging her tail.
Way dark.
Yeah.
And
Good
I love the
puppy.
little frosty.
But see, that'll all come
I
out.
know,
See her
I
ear
know.
color?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I pulled hair on her ear yesterday.
And that's Harris. He thinks she's pretty cute now. Oh, God, can we be friends? All over and thank you.
They're getting more interested in her
Yeah.
this time around.
My guy, hi, honey.
Oh my God.
Hi, honey. Oh, he likes her. Oh, my God. I think he ought to go home with her. Look at her.
Oh, fancy pants.
Hi.
Hi, hi.
She's great saying hi to people too. I love that.
She's like a little dot out there now.
I know.
Oh, so cute. Jeff, come here, Jeff.
I'm almost out of battery.
Looks like a swimming pool.
I know. That's what I mean. I might stand in that bowl.
You always get too close to me, buddy.
I know.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah, just go,